उधर ही सारे कपड़े रख देने हैं।
उधर ही मतलब इट्स प्रॉपर्ली हैंग, ऐसा नहीं है मेस के कहीं कोने में पड़ा है या कड़ा है जैसे तू नॉर्मली छोड़ के जाती है अपना।
सादा तेरा साइड टेबल में बास्केट में भी अच्छा सामान नहीं रखा तूने, उठाया निकाल के रखा था उस दिन।
बास्केट चाहिए नहीं था मेरे को, उसे रखा है तो मैंने तो जो हाथ में आता है मैं रख देता हूँ।
Hello everyone, my name is Adya
And I'm Mayur
and welcome to our channel. It's been more than 2 months to our marriage now, and since we've started living together, we've realized that there are a few things that are nice that we like, and there are some things that drive us crazy about each other.
Basically, since we have started living together, pehle we used to live like I used to live in my room alone. She used to live at her house in her room alone, obviously. So
here we're making this video to tell you guys about things that have changed for us. What is one good thing that you feel about living together?
One good thing. One good thing.
What is that love?
So one good thing, a little like all boys might relate, all newlywed men will relate. Okay, at least my washroom, now our washroom, smells a lot better. And it's always filled with lot of things since we are married. Because पहले कुछ नहीं, मेरे washroom में normal एक shampoo, एक body wash, and other थोड़ा बहुत toiletries रहता था. Now it's filled, you know. I have like different types of body washes, different types of shampoos. तो ऐसा मैं कभी normal अपना use कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन कभी ऐसा one of those days इसका कौन सा वाला आज मैं use करूँगा, तो that is like one of.
मेरे shampoos और body washes use करता है.
Thanks. Love you.
Okay. So that is one good thing.
Yeah. What about you?
So I think what I love about marriage and staying together is the fact that I don't have to say goodbye to him ever. Okay, so initially when we were dating, we used to go out, and you know, when we used to come back, whenever we used to come back, I used to be like, oh no, we have to go home and we have to go to separate homes and I don't want to say bye to him, and you know, but now I don't have to. We come to the same home and we come to the same room.
It's a mutual thing, I think. Even for me. It was not on my like top of my mind, but now I do realize, yeah, we don't have to say goodbyes like after going out for a dinner or going out somewhere. When we used to come home, like abhi tu apne ghar, main apne ghar, but now we're coming to the same room, same house. So yeah, that's a good thing.
That's a good point. Okay, one bad thing now.
Bad thing. I'll pretend to think.
Watch it.
So I always have been a early riser. Okay, I wake up early. Like
I know where this is
तो
going.
like 6 to 7 के बीच मैं उठ जाता हूँ ऐसा. But अभी after marriage, since we have started living together, it's very difficult for me to get up early. Why? Because she does not get up early. Okay.
One second. I also get up early. Okay. I get up at 8 o'clock in the morning, which is early for me. Okay. I should not get up by 8. I get up at 8 and I start my day at 8 now. What is your complaint?
What my complaint is कि तू कितने बजे भी उठ, देखो 8 बजे उठना है, देखो 9 बजे उठना है, देखो 7 बजे उठना है, देखो 10 बजे उठना है. That is your whatever you will plan your day accordingly. मुझे उठना है 6 बजे या 6:30 को. Usually I get up by 6:30. वो अभी नहीं हो पाता है. Why? I'll tell you. I have my alarm. 6:30, 6 o'clock का जो भी अलार्म बजता है, मैं उठता है. You know, I get up and then first thing मेरे सामने आता है इसका face. And she is sleeping nicely, मस्त एकदम.
कैसे देखा?
ऐसा मस्त तो सो रही होती है एकदम अच्छे से. एंड आई एम लाइक कितना मस्त सो रही है यार ये, मैं क्यों उठा, चल मैं 5 मिनट और सो जाता है. एंड दैट 5 मिनट कीप्स ऑन स्नूजिंग और फिर मे बी इवेंचुअली आजकल 7:45 8 o'clock को ही उठता है जब ये उठती है, which is like one thing that I don't appreciate after marriage. But
that's not my fault. Your willpower is not that strong.
Whatever
if you want, you can get up and go. I'm not stopping you.
If you see your face sleeping, like तू खुद उठेगी और अगर तेरे पास फोटो लेना ना सोते हुए फेस का, तू वापस सो जाएगी. इतने कंफर्ट में मस्त सो रही होती है, तो मैं सोचता है कि क्या मस्त सो रही है, थोड़ा 5 मिनट और मैं भी सो जाता है.
Okay, it's not my fault, but okay, point taken.
Your turn. One bad thing after marriage that you realized since we have started living together.
One bad thing I think is that he takes too long in the washroom in the morning. Okay, like he'll get up and he'll go poop. Okay, go for poop, and he will sit there and watch reels for half an hour. I'm bloody hating you.
One second. I think everybody who's watching this video can relate. Okay, you cannot poop without watching reels.
सही बात है.
Agreed, but you take like half an hour. Okay.
See,
And no one said, you don't need to counter, let me finish. So he takes half an hour, and the thing is that both of us almost have to like start getting ready and leave or start our day at the same time. So now he's also getting up at the same time, and then he goes there, and my half an hour is wasted. Till 8:30 I've just brushed my teeth and I'm sitting, I'm waiting to go and have a bath, and then so that's one like, so yeah.
बिना poop करते वक्त बिना reels देखे कोई नहीं रह सकता. I mean, so it's a habit. You take your phone while you're going to poop. You're going to do the business. You take your phone because
that's not the point. It's just that if you want to take so long, you can go a little before me so that by the time
I just told you, but I cannot get up before you because of the reason I stated earlier. So it's your fault.
Yes, it's my fault. Okay, now one good thing.
One good thing.
I'll say it first. He now very cutely in the morning, like he'll get up. We both almost get up at the same time, but he'll still go and he'll make this garam pani and honey and lemon ka that juice for me. Okay, and he'll get 2 glasses for us, and then he'll drink his and go for poop. And because I know he's going to take time, as I mentioned, so I like nicely sit and drink, and then after that I brush and all that. And then he'll finish his poop and all that come. By the time I've gone inside, he'll make black coffee for us and then get black coffee also. So that's like very cute, I think.
Enough of morning poop talks. So let me tell you one good thing I've realized after we have started living together is the night routine. So she follows whatever. I think she has a small night routine before sleeping. And whenever you should do it. अपना क्या है आने का मैक्स ब्रश करने का सो जाने का बस ऐसा कुछ फेस इसका कभी होता नहीं था. बट इसको देख के I'm like now like थोड़ा प्रेशर में आके इतना कुछ कर रही है रात को मेरे को भी थोड़ा तो कुछ करना चाहिए. तो now इसका ही माल ढाप के I apply that. What is that? Bio oil. Bio oil I apply. Supposedly it's supposed to clean my skin. So I don't know, but it's a good feeling before sleeping at night. I have started doing a night routine. Hopefully, eventually it will like have some effect. I don't know, but it feels good to do it.
Just taking care of your skin. It's not for any effect.
Yeah. So it's a good thing.
We are old. We are 30 now.
Yeah, it's okay. Whatever. Hopefully it will have a good effect. But the important thing is that it makes like that moment before sleeping. It makes you feel good. So yeah, that's one good thing I've started doing after we have started living together. I have one bad point. So it's not a bad point, like it's not something bad which Adu does, but we एक ही room में तो we are sharing the dressing table, and when we get ready, mirror हमारे पास बहुत है. मतलब there's a big mirror. We'll show you once the room is ready. The room is not yet ready. तो उसके बाद हम दिखेंगे पूरा room tour. Okay ना? तो we have a big mirror in our room. But फिर भी जहाँ पे मैं खड़ा हूँ और जहाँ पे मैं ready हो रहा हूँ, आज को उधर ही आके ready होने का. तो आई लाइक मेरे को मिरर हार्डली 5 मिनट्स के लिए चाहिए. अपना क्या शर्ट पहनने का, टी शर्ट पहनने का, बाल दो हाथ मारने का, फेस वॉश करने का हो गया. बट वो पर्टिकुलर 5 मिनट्स में ही Adu wants to stand in front and she doesn't do it knowingly.
1 second. Even if I stand in front of you, is this going to block your view?
Yeah, because
no.
face दिख रहा है ना, बॉडी क्या पहना है, थोड़ा 2 मिनट तो ठीक करूंगा ना मैं.
और तू क्यों फिर तू चला जाना दूसरी जगह पे.
अरे बट जहाँ पे मैं हूँ वहाँ पे क्यों?
मेरा साइड ड्रेसिंग टेबल उधर है.
Also, one more bad point I realized. कि इतना सा जगह है मेरे को ड्रेसिंग टेबल में, लाइक ड्रेसिंग ड्रॉर्स में इतना सा जगह है मेरा.
होता क्या है इनके पास?
जो भी है.
Okay, we got a dressing table which has like 6 drawers. I gave him 1 drawer. Isn't that enough? One thing about me is that he doesn't fold the comforter, and there are few things that he'll just hang in the room, okay, wherever, and he'll just keep them like that. Like we have this rod which has so many of his pants just lying there for so many days. 1 second.
I'm waiting.
And in the washroom also, he'll have bath and he'll put the pants. Like, they're just there. Why? Put them for washing or use them. Or just like, final kar do na usko.
See, there are many clothes, especially we have jeans, जो एक बार में washing में नहीं जाते.
तो fold करके cupboard में hang करो.
अरे इतना मेहनत कौन करेगा? तुम टाक देना, बाद में कभी जब use करना होगा use कर लेंगे.
So there are 6 pants on that rod right now.
Yeah, many jeans.
Along with trousers.
Yeah. एंड फोल्ड कौन करता है कंफर्टर? आई मीन रात को वापस वो यूज करने वाले, वापस मतलब यूज में आने वाला है, वो सुबह उठो फोल्ड करके रखो, फिर बीच में मिड डे इफ यू फील लाइक यूजिंग द कंफर्टर तो वापस फोल्ड करके.
Also, one good thing about getting married is getting to stay with Tipu 24 hours.
I'll show you.
He's a munchkin. He's a munchkin. Who's a munchkin?
So I think we are showing him officially first time on our channel. Like there are a lot of videos and photos of him on Instagram. Yeah. That's his tail, if you guys are wondering. He's a golden retriever, 4.5 years old.
5 next month.
5 next month, and his name is Tipu.
Yeah, so yeah, that's one very very good thing that I get to stay with Tipu all the time, and I think उसीलिए तो शादी किया मैंने.
Thanks, Tipu.
So just to sum it up, I think we've known each other for so long before marriage also, and still once we started living together we got to know so much about each other, and we're still like kind of adjusting to each other's like preferences and style and you know living pattern, and it's that I think that's what marriage is all about.
Yeah, it's
right?
very normal.
Right, but and it might seem very preachy right now, but once you fall in it you can see that you know it is about that.
So as she said, a lot of new things you discover after you get married. Basically, after you start living together. And we thought we'll come here, we'll share all of this with you. क्योंकि हम लोग भी बात कर रहे थे, like अरे why not do this on camera? So yeah. And if any one of you have got recently married and you can relate to any of this, then please do comment and let us know.
And if you guys liked watching this, do subscribe to our channel for more such fun videos. And don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.